everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix crashing on your thread apps. If your app keeps on crashing, then don't worry, I'll be showing you guys some simple steps to improve it. So let's get started. First of all, try switching between mobile Wi-Fi to mobile data to see if it works, and then go ahead and go to your app store and then search for threads, and then see if there is an update button. Sometimes issues like your phone crashing happens because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Next, open your phone storage and then search for storage. Open your phone settings and then search for storage, and then go to threads and then click on the offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. And yeah, if none of that works and your app still keeps on crashing, then what you're gonna do is just simply delete the app and then reinstall it with all the latest files and bug fixes, and that's it. These methods should help you get your app back with no crashes. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more quick fixes.